So after lockdown, this is the first ride. पानी ठंडा है, so dangerous, it's very deep. Hello all, welcome back to my channel Bike Man Buddy and it's me Sagar Lama. What's up, कैसे हो, कैसे हो and नमस्कार to all. So almost 2.5 months, March and April and May, लॉकडाउन के कारण से कहीं बाहर निकल नहीं पा रहे थे. सो अभी लॉकडाउन ईज़ हो गया है बैंगलोर में. सो एक शॉर्ट राइड के लिए मैं बाहर निकला हूँ अपने दोस्तों के साथ. आई एम वेटिंग हियर इन बनारघट्टा रोड. दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट शॉर्ट ट्रिप आफ्टर दिस लॉकडाउन. बाय द वे हम जा रहे हैं टीके फॉल्स, छोटी कालू वाटरफॉल. सो जाकर देखते हैं वहाँ पर क्या है. वैसे मानसून ऑलमोस्ट स्टार्ट हो रहा है और बैंगलोर में काफ़ी दिनों से बारिश हो रहा था. आई होप कि वहाँ पर वाटरफॉल जो है मिले. वैसे ये ट्रिप का कुछ प्लान नहीं बना था, बस ये अचानक हो गया. अभी टाइम हो रहा है 3:40 और आज जो डेट है वो है 9th ऑफ जून 2020. सो कल था 8 और कल से बेंगलोर में और मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडिया में लॉकडाउन ईज़ हो गया है. तो लॉकडाउन ईज़ हो गया है. देखो मेरे पीछे सब बस, ट्रक, कार सब कुछ चल रहा है. दिखाता हूँ आपको. काफ़ी ईज़ हो गया है. वैसे लॉकडाउन में मैं बिल्कुल भी बाहर निकला नहीं था, कहीं भी गया नहीं. तो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ बाइक राइड करने के लिए. शॉर्ट राइड है, यहाँ से कुछ 15 किलोमीटर के आसपास होगा वन वे. तो जाना आना कुछ 30-35 किलोमीटर के आसपास रहेगा. इस लॉकडाउन के कारण से सब घर में बैठे हुए थे, बट मास्क पहन कर निकलो आप, हेलमेट है, ग्लोव्स लगा लो एंड प्रॉपर प्रिकॉशन लो जब आप बाहर निकल रहे हो. तो ही इज़ मिथुन, ओके, ही स्टेज इन द सेम बिल्डिंग. And his friend Akhil. Yeah, Akhil, and his name is Shreyas Fernandez. Shreyas Fernandez. Yeah. So we had tea there and then after that we started again. After coming out from home, I'm feeling so relaxed. For all these days I was just locked inside home because of coronavirus, and government had also imposed lockdown, but you should not take it on granted and go out. Take proper precautions. I never knew this is so close to Bangalore. This is first time I'm coming here. This side water and the other side is also full of water. They are not. Okay, what people are standing there? क्या हुआ?
No entry,
No entry, bro.
since someone has
went to take a selfie and
fall down, it seems.
ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. And it's too slippery, bro. Permission ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು.
ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಬೇಕು, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡು.
This has a small temple here. What is this temple? ಏನು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ?
ಮುನೇಶ್ವರ, ತೊಟ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮುನೇಶ್ವರ.
ತೊಟ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮುನೇಶ್ವರ. Okay. We could not go inside because they are not allowing us to go inside. It should not be failed, man. It didn't happen. Maybe we have to come some other day. We don't know. Akhil is arranging something. I hope so.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಡೆ ನಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
Same place. Same place, huh? Same place. We'll go from other side.
On the inside the forest area
We are not going from this side. We are going from some other place. Let's see. If you don't have a permission from the forest department, you cannot go inside. That is what all happened with us. It is also because of the lockdown. Also, what we came to know, inside some shooting is happening.
police ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ
Police है.
every time happening. Students, no, they go there, they will take bath, slip down and he went in.
When this happened?
Before lockdown it happened, it seems.
see these fences. So that means this is inside Bannerghatta National Park. So we reached here, but we could not go beyond this because we seen somebody standing there. Let's not take risk. We'll go back and we'll come some other day.
Shortly we will come back.
We'll go back.
We'll go back because risk.
We'll ask that person.
Okay, we'll ask that.
You met that person, no? What he said?
He told you
can go from here, huh?
This is the proper way.
What is this for?
Don't shoot me, bro. You can dude, don't, bro. Please, don't upload it now. I'm Insta.
More likes you will get.
This is the walking way. Actually, one of my friends told that we can go
From here, right?
Okay.
What is this?
This is my old guest house, bro.
So this fellow's old guest house, huh? Okay. Yeah. Oh.
You can listen the
Waterfall.
waterfall.
So वाइल्ड लेमन बहुत दिनों के बाद ऐसा ट्रैक कर रहे हैं जंगलों के अंदर से. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. It's just not only the riding, you know. I also love trekking. So we all can hear now the sound of the waterfall. So Akhil is saying a few people are on the other side of that place and they are shooting. Can we go close to them?
No way, man.
Huh? Okay. I could hear some noise. It's not waterfall, but some people are there. And Akhil said that some people are they're doing some shooting, some film shooting. Let's go and see there. It's not shooting. Two people. So we are literally inside forest, and what else we can see? Any wild animal?
Yeah, tiger is there.
Huh? So one big tiger is here. So there is some shooting going on, and those people are saying not to come close to them. So we'll not go there.
You don't shoot them.
Huh?
You don't shoot them.
So you can see some people are there. Some shooting is happening there, so they are not allowing us to go there. So we'll not go and disturb there. So here they are. Just behind us there's waterfall, but we cannot go to that waterfall, so we need to find other stream of waterfall where we can sit and enjoy. So it's good that we came from this place. Maza aa gaya. It was not very difficult trekking, very moderate. Anyone can come from this place. It's all rocky, so you need to be a little more careful, otherwise you will fall down. I really enjoyed coming here. So we are in the middle of the forest. Everywhere you see only greenery. Take a look. We were at this place and we took some photographs. Shooting is still going on, so we can't go there. So we are trying to find a way to go down the waterfall. Let's see if we can go. So they are planning how can we go.
We are shooting.
You can hear the sound of the drone.
We are waiting for the drone to finish the shooting.
Yeah, they are there. And one of the actors is laughing loudly. तो अभी वहाँ पर जा नहीं सकते, नीचे भी जा नहीं सकते क्योंकि वी डोंट हैव द परमिशन. सो लेट्स वेट until they wrap up and then they leave. We'll go down and see the waterfall. अभी तक हम वाटरफॉल देखे नहीं है. हम यहाँ पर आए हुए काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है.
Hey, चलो
चलो चलो चलो नीचे चलो नीचे चलो. I'll show you.
he's an actor now. That is the drone which is very close to him. He's probably taking some shots.
Time is it's almost 6 o'clock now. वाटरफॉल काफ़ी नज़दीक है. हम जा रहे हैं किसी और रास्ते से. So you guys have seen where I'm standing. This is on top and just in front of me there is this waterfall.
Very deep. There is this waterfall. Sun is going to set. Time is almost 6 o'clock.
I again hear the sound action. I think the director had said action, so they again started shooting. तो मेरे पीछे अगर आप देखेंगे वहाँ पर तो वहाँ पर शूटिंग हो रहा है. पता नहीं वो क्या शूटिंग है, किस मूवी का है या कोई सीरियल या फिर कोई वेब सीरीज़. काश वहाँ पर जाकर किसी एक्टर से थोड़ा सा वार्तालाप होता, कुछ बातचीत होता तो और मज़ा आता. दिस इज़ वेयर वी आर फ्री बर्ड्स. वाटरफॉल के नज़दीक जा नहीं पाए बट ग्रेट डे, ग्रेट टाइम, एन्जॉयड थरोली. मज़ा आ गया यहाँ पर आकर. और you guys anyone near Bangalore, you guys have not explored this place, please come and explore this place. You definitely enjoy. Try to come from where you'll find a temple and then you take a trek. Avoid this place, this is still not safe. We came here because we didn't want to waste our day. Guys आप थोड़ा सब्र कर, अगर आप आते हो अकेले मत आओ, फ्रेंड दोस्तों के साथ आ जाओ आप.
So water will come from here, huh? Okay. And then it will. The water, how it flows down.
But as they are saying, because they are the local guy here, if there is rain or too many water pouring from top, then it will fall from here.
So this is where the water is coming, and then from here it goes down. Look at this small foot. Fall, so dangerous. It's very deep, full of rock.
The water stream you can see here, and it goes down and becomes a waterfall. पानी ठंडा है. Yeah. I think all the visitors who come here, I'll show you what they have done is
This the plastic bottle here. So many plastic bottles are being thrown here, which is not good. See?
they should keep it clean because this is natural place. They should not keep it dirty. Those who are watching this vlog, please come enjoy, but don't litter this place. There must be some dustbin. Keep the water bottle there.
बारिश के टाइम में आई थिंक यहाँ पर ये आप देख रहे हो, ये यहाँ से भी पानी नीचे आता है. So basically you mean water flows from this side?
See, all over here, from here it flows and it will go from here down, and this is the path which you are seeing the marks, no? It will be moving from this things only. So once heavy rain, it will be heavily flowing from here and it will going down. And we can visit down. It's dangerous coming here. We can go down and we can stand there and we can take bath.
Oh.
Yeah.
So बस इतना ही है आज का. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe.
What happened?
Because of summer there is no water. No, this is not the water here.
So this is nothing, it means, right?
This is nothing, bro. It will cover all those place fully.
So आज का जो राइड था और जो ट्रैकिंग था बस यही था. अभी अंधेरा हो गया है तो यहाँ से अभी निकलना है. जो भी जितना भी हम एक्सप्लोर कर सकते थे हमने एक्सप्लोर किया. अब बाइक के पास वापस जाना है एंड देन विल पुश ऑफ टू आवर होम.
kilometers.
तो यही है वो पानी जो नीचे बहकर वाटरफॉल की तरफ जाता है, राइट? थकान लग रहा है, थकान नहीं लगा था, अभी हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं तो थोड़ा थकान लग रहा है, बस पहुंचने वाले हैं. So after lockdown, this is the first ride and trek, quite fulfilling, and then let me plan for the next trip very soon, but not deciding to go out of the state, that's pretty sure. So it was really good time we all four had, and we enjoyed a lot. I hope you guys also had enjoyed, and please
Like.
Share and subscribe.
so see you in my next vlog. Until then, live a beautiful life, ride safe, and
Make memories.
make memories. Bye bye.
Bro, don't take mine magnets. You don't upload it, please. I'll take a close up of you.